Hello, students. Today we will study next chapter from Chemistry 2 syllabus is chapter number 13, amines. So we know amines are nitrogen containing compounds. So first definition of amine is given. So amines are nitrogen containing organic compounds having basic character. So amines are basic in nature. Amines are present in the structure of many natural compounds like proteins, vitamins, hormones, and many plant products like nicotine. So that is about the definition and the presence of this amines and nitrogen containing compounds in various compounds, natural compounds. Now we will study second point given in this chapter is to study classification of amines. So amines are classified into three types, that is primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. These are the three types of amines. They are classified on the basis of this number of hydrogen atoms replaced from ammonia molecule by alkyl group or aryl group. So we will study this different types and their examples in the table number 13.1. So before that I will explain this classification of secondary and tertiary amines. So this secondary and tertiary amine contain 2 and 3 alkyl groups or aryl groups. So they are classified on the basis of similar alkyl groups or different alkyl groups present in secondary and tertiary amines. Primary amine contain only one alkyl group, hence they are not further classified. The secondary amines are classified into two types, that is a simple and mixed, or also called as a symmetrical and unsymmetrical. So simple secondary amine contain both R groups, that is alkyl group or aryl group, same, and in unsymmetrical tertiary amine these three alkyl groups are the same, or if three alkyl groups are different then it is called as a unsymmetrical or simple mixed amine. When all these alkyl groups or the aryl groups on nitrogen atom are same, then it is called as a simple amine, and if they are different then it is called as a mixed amines. Amines are also divided into two major classes, namely this aliphatic means open chain of carbon atoms containing amine, and aromatic amines, they contain aromatic ring. So these types of amines, they are classified on the basis of functional group. So first primary amine denoted by 1 degree amine, this name of functional group is NH2 and name is amino. Example is C2H5NH2, common name is ethylamine. Second type is secondary amine. They have functional group NH called as a imino-functional group. Example is CH3NH CH3. It is dimethylamine. Then third type is a tertiary amine. Here the functional group is N called as a tertiary nitrogen. Then example is CH3N, CH3N and CH3N, that is three CH3 groups are bonded to nitrogen and it is trimethyl amine. So these are the types of amine: primary, secondary, and tertiary amine. Now we will study different examples in the nomenclature as a primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. Before that, we will study third point given in this chapter is nomenclature of amines. So as usual, this nomenclature of organic compounds are two types. One is common name system and other is IUPAC nomenclature. First, we will study in detail common name, that is how these common names are given for amine. In the common name of aliphatic amines, they are given as a alkyl amine. Here, the name of alkyl group and then the suffix amine is used. In case of mixed amine, the name of alkyl groups are written according to alphabetical order. If two or three identical alkyl groups are present, then it is prefix given as a di or tri. They are added before the name of alkyl group. In aryl amine, the commonly C6H5NH2, it is named as a aniline, and other aromatic amines are derivatives of aniline. We will study all these examples given with their common names. Before that, we will study how IUPAC name for amines are given. So in the IUPAC nomenclature, these primary amines are named by replacing ending E of alkane by suffix amine, and we get name alkanamine. A locant indicating the position of amino group is added before suffix amine. If two or more amino groups are present, then we will give prefix as a di, tri, etc. With proper locant, in this case the ending E of parent alkane is retained. Then in secondary and tertiary amine, the N-substituted derivatives of primary amine, the names are given as a N-substituted, means nitrogen substituted derivatives. If alkyl groups are present, then it is given as alkylamine, arylamine ending with E as arine replaced by amine. The common name of aniline is also accepted in IUPAC nomenclature. So we will study now examples of amines, how their names are given, and it is given in this table number 13.2. We will study all examples in detail. So first is primary amines. We know functional group in primary amine is NH2. So first example is CH3NH2. The common name is methyl amine and a IUPAC name given from the methane by replacing suffix E by amine, and the name obtained will be methanamine. Second example is CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. It is 3 carbon containing alkyl group. The name is given as N-propyl amine. N stands for normal or the straight chain, and IUPAC name is propan 1 amine. Then next example is CH3, CH, CH3, NH2. Here the name of alkyl group is isopropyl, and hence the common name is isopropyl amine. Then IUPAC name is, it is a 3 carbon containing long chain of carbon atoms. Hence in the UPSC name it is given from propane. The functional group NH2 is present at second carbon, therefore it is propan 2 amine. Next example is NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. It is 2 carbon 2 night NH2 functional group containing amine. Therefore here CH2 group is called as ethylene, and two amine groups are present called as a diamine. Hence the common name is ethylene diamine, and a UPAC name given from two carbon containing alkane as ethane. First carbon contains amine group, second carbon contains amine group. Hence it is 1,2-diamine, ethane 1,2-diamine. Now here CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 is allyl group bonded with NH2 called as allylamine. Here the IUPAC name is given from 3 carbon containing alkene as a prop2ene, and first carbon contains amine group, therefore name is prop2ene 1 amine. The next example is benzene ring containing NH2 group, commonly called as aniline, also called as a phenylamine. And in the IUPAC nomenclature, we had already studied that aniline is the common name accepted in IUPAC nomenclature. Next is benzanamine, that is IUPAC name given from the hydrocarbon benzene replaced by suffix e by amine, so we get name benzanamine. Next is NH2 CH2 6 times NH2. Here the methyl groups are 6, that is methylene groups are 6, hence called as a hexamethylene, and two amine groups hence called as a diamine. So hexamethylene diamine, and a IUPAC name given from 6 carbon containing alkane as a hexane 1,6-diamine. Next is here the benzene ring bonded with NH2 and CH3 group. The name common name is a paratoluidine, and a IUPAC name is a 4-methyl aniline. Next example is here the 6-membered cyclic ring, alicyclic. It is called as a cyclohexane. So it is a cyclohexylamine is a common name, and cyclohexanamine is the IUPAC name. The next is benzyl amine. So benzyl group is benzene ring bonded with CH2 NH2, benzyl group bonded with CH2 NH2, it is benzylamine, or IUPAC name given as phenyl methanamine. So phenyl group is there, and one carbon containing amine is methanamine. Then last example in primary amine is benzene ring bonded with bromine and NH2 group. So they are present at para position, hence the name given as parabromoaniline, or it is called as a para position is a 4th position, and therefore called as a parabromoaniline or 4-bromoaniline, or this aniline is also called as a benzanamine, therefore called as a 4-bromobenzanamine. So these examples we had studied for primary amines. Now examples for secondary amine. Here the secondary amine have two alkyl groups. So here CH3NH CH3, it is 2-methyl group containing amine called as a dimethylamine, and a IUPAC name given as N-methyl methanamine, because On the nitrogen atom, there is a CH3 group, and other is considered as a amine, one carbon containing, that is methanamine. Second example in secondary amine is CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. Here, NH group is bonded one side to ethyl group and other side to the methyl group. So it is according to alphabetical order, it is ethyl methyl amine, or IUPAC name given. Here the longest carbon chain containing nitrogen is a 2 carbon containing amine. Hence the name given as ethanamine, and nitrogen is bonded to other side with methyl group named as N-methyl ethanamine. Next example, here the NH group is bonded one side with methyl, other side with this phenyl. According to alphabetical order, first name of methyl, then name of phenyl, and then name of amine is given. So correct common name is methyl phenyl amine, and IUPAC name is given from aniline or benzanamine. It is N-methyl aniline or N-methyl benzanamine. Then next example is C6H5NH, C6H5, that is NH group, secondary amine group is bonded with two phenyl groups, hence common name is a diphenylamine, and IUPAC name given as N-phenyl benzanamine, or can be called as a N-phenyl aniline, because benzanamine is also called as a aniline. Then next type is a tertiary amine. Here in tertiary amine, central nitrogen is bonded to three alkyl or aryl groups. It is a symmetrical tertiary amine. Three methyl groups are bonded. Hence the common name is trimethyl amine, and IUPAC name is one carbon containing amine, base name given as a methanamine, and on nitrogen atom there is a methyl and methyl. Two groups are bonded called as NN dimethyl methanamine. Next example is the central nitrogen bonded with two methyl groups and one ethyl group. So according to alphabetical order, it is first name of ethyl and then name of methyl two times called as a dimethyl is given. So it is ethyl dimethyl amine is the common name. In the IUPAC nomenclature, two carbon containing nitrogen long chain is ethanamine, and methyl group is bonded on nitrogen, two methyl groups, hence it is NN dimethyl ethanamine. That is the correct IUPAC name. Next example is here tertiary amine is a mixed type. All these alkyl groups, three alkyl groups bonded with nitrogen are different. One is ethyl, other is methyl, and one more is a propyl. Therefore, the name given as ethyl methyl propylamine, ethyl methyl propylamine, and IUPAC name given as N-ethyl N-methyl propan 1 amine. So first carbon containing this nitrogen atom, therefore called as a propan 1 amine. Next example is again mixed type. Here isopropyl group, methyl group, and ethyl group are bonded to central nitrogen. So according to alphabetical order, first name of ethyl, name of then methyl, and then name isopropyl is given. So it is ethyl methyl isopropyl amine, and IUPAC name will be N-ethyl N-methyl propan 2 amine is correct IUPAC name. One more example of tertiary amine, it containing aromatic ring, so it is called as aniline, and other groups are methyl, two groups bonded on nitrogen, so it is called as a NN dimethylaniline, or IUPAC name will be NN dimethylbenzanamine. So that is about the nomenclature of amines. So we had studied in this lecture first definition of amine, then classification of amines, and nomenclature, that is common names and IUPAC name of amines. So we will stop here. Thank you.